Hey y'all, today we're on Discord and we're taking a look at how to add friends. Let's get into it. So to start off, typically you'd want to add friends if you have friends. So what we need to do is go ahead and open up Discord. And if you don't have any friends added yet, make sure you have the Friends tab selected in the top left. And then you can go ahead and enter in the friend's name. So keep in mind there are two different types of names Discord has. They have their newer names that would just be a username like Tech Tutorial Spot. And then there are also the legacy names that include a hashtag and then a number. So make sure you do know which username the person has that you're entering and enter in the whole thing. If you enter in just this name without the hashtag and numbers and it says friend not found, you most likely need to get those numbers added onto their name. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.